Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have 10 minus 5, 15 divided by 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 15 divided by 5, right? Now 5 and 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, and here is multiply. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. This is the incorrect answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS, parentheses first, right? So solve again. Parentheses first, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, in addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so 10 minus 5, right? So inside the parentheses 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So here is multiply. So multiply first. So 10 minus 5 times 3 is equal to 15, and 10 minus 15 is equal to 5. This is the correct answer.